Today, the web is a definitive ruler. World more than a mammoth trade of information comes to pass on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. Be that as it may, in the event that the information source isn't certifiable or the information isn't put away properly, the whole world could come to a fiasco. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective on account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the intrinsic capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony. Chiliz, the vision. Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chiliz was formally sent off in 2019 despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any game or a sports on the planet can adapt fan interest. Chiliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a group of people through extremist fan commitment with most loved groups the Boar. Chiliz, the planners of the realm. Alexander Dreyfus holds the rod of being the torchbearer of the underpinning of the Chiliz organization and planting the seeds way back in 2016 for the Socios stage. Having led remarkable situations in different combinations, he has shockingly as the organizer individual from WebCity, a city local escort stage across Europe. His name is famous among the poker local area, particularly the very first French on the web. Emma Deskin has loaned her keenness to the organization of Chiliz as head working official starting around 2018 and plays had a crucial impact in corporate correspondences. She holds tremendous involvement with the media business. Thus, the diversion organization of Chiliz colossally profited from her bits of knowledge. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. In somewhere around 30 minutes of send-off, it surfaced on the trade with fresh insight about accomplishing the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its adversaries like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of the pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that occurred in 2020 is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During November 2020, Chiliz's cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a minor recuperation. Nonetheless, the exhibition of Chiliz toward the start of 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz has reflected huge development, denoting another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point forward, the token confronted a slight rectification, yet later it held the 40 cents cost level. The CHZ cost denoted a monstrous meeting and contacted 75 cents in April, however later, it remedied to the 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark, yet later, it confronted a sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point forward, it denoted a critical recuperation, and in November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 21 cents on December 2023. The hopeful figure predicts a critical ascent with a future cost of 31 cents in 2024 and further going up to 91 cents in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz cost forecast specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the most extreme cost of 52 cents. Market Chiliz forecasts anticipate the base cost to be as low 42 cents in 2025. The worth of opposition levels R1, R2, and R3 are 17 cents, 19 cents, and 22 cents separately. At the hour of composing this specialized investigation and Chiliz gauge, the cost of Chiliz was 14 cents with an exchanging volume of CHZ as $211,421,290 and the market cap of Chiliz was $975,279,844 with a flowing stockpile of $6,661,685,577 CHZ. The ongoing all-time high is 89 cents. CHZ Value Forecast recommends that CHZ could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, most likely in the following couple of years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new exhibition of Chiliz has not soared on the trade ascending to greatness, one conspicuous reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is staying put. Increment and fill in the market in full sprout according to beneath Chiliz cost expectations. Chiliz Value Forecast 2023. CHZ has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the CHZ with begetting gain a lot greater cost of 35 cents as the projected most extreme cost. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost figure, with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 13 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized examination done by advertised specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with the high gamble included. Chiliz value forecast 2024. Many theories are proceeding for CHZ coin cost expectation, particularly taking into account the innovative declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate plans on. There are suspicions in light of market cost forecasts that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 35 cents. CHZ conjecture predicts the greatest cost and least cost to be 40 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you buy CHZ, look for a well-qualified assessment to upgrade your technique choices, assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, obstruction level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz value forecast 2025. According to Chiliz's cost forecast, in a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to obviously show up at any rate cost of 33 cents and a most extreme cost of 41 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHZ gauge depicts a stunning good faith anticipated for the CHZ cost, fundamentally because of its steady exhibition throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul digital currency figures. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Violating all limits more than 2026 would clearly give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz cost forecast, supported by hardy savvy gets, the greatest value level of CHZ crypto will be around 59 cents in 2026. The approaching 5 years are supposed to bring an increment. Chiliz value expectation 2027. The street ahead is loaded with pedals according to the CHZ cost gauge. Gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Chiliz cost, taking it to cross all hindrances, scaling point of the greatest cost of 60 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the digital money market. Chiliz cost expectation expects the cost is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. CHZ coin value expectation uncovers Chiliz will likely be conveyed by the NFT publicity for some time. In any event, Chiliz's cost may handily cross its past all-time high of 89 cents and have a greatest cost of 91 cents in 2028. Chiliz value expectation 2029. In 2029, the CHZ token will exchange at a limit of $1.15 with a base cost of $1.05. Simultaneously, our Chiliz cost expectation demonstrates that the symbolic will have a typical cost of around $1.10 all year long. Chiliz value forecast 2030. In view of our CHZ cost expectation 2030, the normal cost is supposed to be around $1.50, with a likely low of $1.35 and a possible high of $1.70. The Chiliz